when the countries decide to do something bilaterally, they don't have obligation to inform the EU in general, in principle. So if the governments of these countries you mentioned decided that they want to do something on their own bilaterally to help Iranian authorities to alleviate the impact of the coronavirus crisis, then they are, I mean, absolutely free to do it. For the EU, I mean, if EU does something, as you have been witnessing, for example, in case of China or other partners, it's usually based on a request that it's addressed to the EU, and then you have EU-wide response. So at this stage, if countries are deciding, and I understand Switzerland also found ways how to provide some humanitarian supplies to Iran, this is perfectly okay. I mean, if it's in line with the sanctions regime, which does not include the medical supplies, then there's not much for the EU to be said, unless or except of the fact that if there is a request, then of course we are happy to look into it. And you know the track record of the EU when it comes specifically to humanitarian issues, that if we are asked by the partners who are facing huge problems that they are not able to tackle themselves, then we are always there to look into the possibilities how we can assist them.
Thank you very much. Is it for Peter? Does anyone else have questions for Peter today? No? Thank you, Peter. David.